It operates where no light can reach. A predator designed to disappear.
But before it can rule the oceans, it must be built.
This is not just a ship. It is the most complex machine humans have ever created.
Millions of parts, billions of dollars.
And zero margin for error.
Welcome inside the top-secret facility where the Virginia-class nuclear submarine is born.
From a pile of raw steel to a leviathan of the deep.
Let's enter the prohibited zone.
It starts here, not with ordinary metal, but with HY80 high-yield steel.
Precision is key. Computer-guided plasma torches slice through inches of solid steel.
But flat steel can't hold back the ocean. It must be bent. An alloy so tough, it can withstand the crushing pressure of the deep ocean.
Carving out the skeleton of the beast.
Hydraulic presses apply thousands of tons of pressure.
The schematics match the scan data perfectly now.
Excellent work. The hull integrity is confirmed.
Next, the ribs are joined. This is where automation takes over.
Every inch of welding is critical.
A single microscopic crack could mean instant death at 800 feet down.
So every joint is X-rayed. If it's not perfect, it's rejected.
Once approved, the giant rings are brought together.
Forming a tunnel of high-strength steel. It's loud, it's hot, and it's dangerous work. Internal bulkheads are added to separate the living quarters from the nuclear reactor.
Watch the crane. Lower it slowly. Copy that. Moving it down now.
Thousands of hands touch this metal before it ever touches the water.
The shell is ready.
But a shell is nothing without a heart. In the old days, workers crawled inside to build. Not anymore.
Now, entire decks are built outside and slid in like a giant ship in a bottle.
This is modular construction. It saves time, but increases complexity.
Pipes, wires, and vents must align within a millimeter.
Crucial machinery sits on floating rafts, cushioned by rubber.
This prevents vibration from reaching the hull. Vibration creates noise.
And in submarine warfare, noise is death.
Once fitted out, the mega modules are moved to the final assembly hall.
Now,
we enter the most sensitive part of the factory.
The nuclear reactor compartment.
Inside this vessel lies the S9G nuclear core. Enriched uranium, a power source that doesn't need air.
All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3, push.
It's moving, keep going. Almost there. Okay, set it down easy, good.
The reactor heats water, creating steam to drive the massive turbines. Transferring 40,000 horsepower to the propeller shaft.
Once the reactor is sealed in, it will not be opened for 30 years.
The beast has a body. It has a heart.
But it is still blind.
Next, we give it eyes and ears.
At the very front lies the sonar sphere, the submarine's eyes and ears. It can detect a ship's propeller from miles away. But to stay safe, it must remain unseen.
The steel skin is covered in thousands of black rubber tiles.
Stealth is for survival. This is for the offense.
The torpedo room, capable of launching heavyweight Mark 48 torpedoes.
And for land targets, vertical launch tubes for Tomahawk cruise missiles.
Immense firepower hidden beneath a smooth deck.
Connecting all these systems is the nervous system.
Millions of feet of fiber optic cable.
The control room. The brain of the beast.
Gone are the giant steering wheels. Today, it's flown by joysticks.
And the periscope? It's now a high-definition photonic mast.
No more looking through a tube. The whole room sees what the captain sees.
The ship is almost alive.
But a machine needs a crew to run it.
Deep underwater, air is not free. It must be manufactured. Electrolysis splits seawater to create breathable oxygen for the crew.
The galley, the only place where 130 men can feel human. Food is the biggest morale booster on a 3-month mission.
Back in the dry dock, the work is finally done.
The propeller's shape is top secret. It's covered until the last moment.
A final coat of black paint to disappear into the dark abyss.
The day of reckoning has arrived.
7,800 tons of American steel.
Look at her shine!
We finally did it!
It gleams in the sun, but it belongs to the dark.
Tradition meets technology.
I christen thee Invincible. The dry dock floods. The monster tastes the water.
Guided by tugs, it heads for the open ocean.
Sea trials begin. Testing the limits.
Full speed ahead.
Dive! Dive! Dive!
But the surface is not its home.
Vents open. Ballast tanks flood.
Gravity takes over.
Leaving the world of light behind.
The nuclear heart beats. "5 years of construction, $3 billion.
Gone.
The most powerful weapon on Earth is the one you cannot see.
Engineering. Precision. Power.
Thanks for watching.